Hello dear students, today in this video we are going to study chapter 2, The Bird, from your English Literature Reader book. Okay, and the author of this chapter is Leo Tolstoy. This story, written by Leo Tolstoy, is about a young boy called Seryoza and a bird. Now this boy Seryoza, he got many presents on his birthday, like toys, the horses, the pictures, but the best gift that he got came from his uncle. That was the net for catching birds. Seryoza was so excited with this present that he ran down to show it to his mother. But his mother did not like this present, and she said that why do you want to trouble the birds by catching them? But Seryoza said that he will catch the bird and keep it in the cage, and he will take good care of the bird by feeding it and providing with enough water. Then Seryoza found some seeds and laid the net in the garden and went to have lunch. After, when he came back from lunch, he found the net closed and he found a bird trapped inside it. Full of glee and happiness, he caught that bird and ran back home to show it to his mother. It was a siskin bird. A siskin is a bird which is found in Europe and Asia. The mother suggested him to let the bird fly back, but the boy promised the mother that he would cage her and take good care of her by providing her food and water every day. Seryoza continued to water her and feed her for 2 days continuously. But on the third day, he forgot that little bird and did not feed her. The mother said that, "See, now you have forgotten your little bird. Now at least let her fly." But then Seryoza remembered and ran to take some grains, and he also cleaned the cage. At that time, the siskin bird was very frightened and she kept moving here and there in the cage. After cleaning the cage, Seryoza went to fetch some water for the bird, and now this time he forgot to close the cage door. Now this little bird found a tiny door and she hopped out of the cage. The bird spread its little tiny wings and moved around in the room and darted to a window, where she thrashed back because the glass of the window was not visible. She struck it hard on the window glass and fell on the windowsill. She came running and picked up the little bird and put it back in the cage. The siskin bird was still alive, but it was lying with the wings spread and breathing hard. Seryoza burst into tears when he saw the bird in this condition. Then Seryoza and his mother nursed the bird with the bandages and balms, and after a week of regular care, the bird was better now. Seryoza took the cage into the garden and opened its door. Siskin hopped out and flew to the low branches. Seryoza watched the bird happily as it chirped and hopped to the higher branches till he could not see the bird anymore. Now he promised himself that he would never catch the birds again. Students, I hope that you all have liked the story and you all have understood the chapter well, and you have also understood the moral of the story, that we should never cage the birds. Why? Because they love to fly in the air. They love to hop around the trees. They love to be free. So I hope nobody will cage the birds now, and rather you will feed them and keep water for them. Okay? Thank you, students. Bye-bye.